Okay, a few words about the Corsairs. Since I have them, now it's about few months, the first thing I've noticed about the battery, it's quite good. It's holding a lot. They are quite heavy, that's a con. If you got a small head, it's not helping you very much. Otherwise, the sound is great. If you're a degenerate about gaming the way I am, it's gonna help you a lot because you have the background noises that helps you a lot, especially in Warzone. The sound that comes from the mic, it's very clear. Okay, it's actually amazing. No hush, no fuss, no filters, no nothing. The sound is good. Everybody's gonna hear you. It's gonna hear you quite well. I like the fact that I can switch on and off the mic from here. Okay, mic on, and that's it. You just switch it off, and you put it back on charge. It's not much to say about it. They are doing the job. They are good.
This headset is on. You're able to turn it off. There. And back on. Also with the Bluetooth there. So obviously mic on, mic off. And if your head is a bit bigger, then by doing that you're able to make the headsets a bit bigger, so it fits nice and snugly on your head. These are extremely soft cushions, and yeah, I can wear it for hours pretty much.
Hey guys, just let you know about the Void RGB Elite Wireless. So this first time you use that has been broken. Just I take out the box inside the box, and when I put on in my head. When I put on the first time it has broken. It's very bad quality. This material, it's not good. It's not recommended for anyone.
Lovely, lovely.